Welcome to another video channel of DigiSales. Please learn to subscribe to the channel so as to get updates on all the functions or the latest functions that come up on DigiSales. Today's video clip, we are going to look at how to delete a service. You have entered a service, and I think among the list of services you have entered, there may be a double entry or there may be an entry you don't want. Kindly go to stockings, click on the tab. Click on stockings, come to delete, come to services, click on services. Once again, you can use the code, the service code to delete, or you can use the service name to delete. So in this point, let's say we are using the service name to delete. So I want to delete trim because I can see trim is double. So I want to delete trim. So I click on trim and then I delete one of them. So I click on it, it asks me, do you still wish to delete? I say yes. Delete is done. So when you search trim again, you realize that it's only one. Delete is successful. Thank you very much for watching this video.